Good morning to all of you. My name is Minnie. I study in class 5th. As we all know that today is National Unity Day. So, I would like to speak few lines on Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was a great freedom fighter. He is known as Iron Man of India. He was born on 31st October 1875 in Gujarat, India. His father's name was Javed Bhai Patel, who was a farmer. His mother's name was Lad Bai, who was a housewife. Sardar Patel was very hardworking since his childhood. He took active part in the struggle of freedom. He was an Indian politician and a barrister. He became the first Home Minister and Deputy Prime Minister of India. Sardar Patel died on 15th December 1950. Thank you to all of you.